Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is me Kate here and I'm back with new video, and on today's video I will be showing you how to add follow button in Facebook profile. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your device, open up the Facebook application. After that, log into your account, and once you're done with that, in order to add follow button in Facebook profile, first of all you have to go to some settings on your account. For that, at the upper right corner, you will see your profile with 3-line icon. Tap on there, you will land on menu page. From here, tap on settings again at the upper right corner, and on the settings and privacy page, scroll down, and under audience and visibility, tap on how people find and contact you, and at the very top, who can send you friend requests. Make sure that everyone is set over there. If not, tap on this icon where it's everyone. From there, change it to everyone, and once you're done with that, again head back, and here again tap on followers and public contact, and at the space at the very top you will get to see who can follow you. There, make sure that it is turned on public, and under that you will see this option that says who can see the people pages and list you follow. You can set that public as well. Now once you're done with that, again head back, again go back, again head back to your home page. Now from here, tap on your profile icon from the upper left corner, just near what's on your mind space. This will land you on your profile picture. From here, you have to tap on the 3-dot icon next to edit profile, and on this page here under the search option, you will get turn on professional mode. Tap on there, and then again tap on turn on. Now you have to finish setting up your profile picture, do all these things which will help you to complete your professional account. If you head back, and now a follow button will be added to your profile picture if others account try to follow you. So that's how you can add follow button on your Facebook profile. I hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon for more upcoming tutorials like this. Thank you for watching again. I will see you on next video.